We all know Christy is a diehard Cougar fan and a Washington State University graduate, and she never ceases to remind us what a gem Pullman is. So Val and I decided to visit Pullman for ourselves to see what all the hype is about.
Now here, everyone knows Pullman is associated with WSU. Our co-host Christy Goranson is a Cougar. That's right. But Pullman has so much more than just the university. There's incredible recreational opportunities along the Snake River over here.
There's also all the delicious oats and grains that they grow over here for the beverages and the delicious food.
Speaking of that wonderful food, we checked out a scenic spot on the Palouse Ridge Golf Course. Here, the table served us some mouth-watering appetizers, all while we learned more about Pullman.
Pullman is a surprise. I think people do come here and they immediately think about WSU. But we are a welcoming small community, but with metropolitan amenities.
Alexis Foran is the Tourism Promotions Manager for Visit Pullman and the Pullman Chamber of Commerce. Although she isn't from Pullman, she knows how special this community really is.
What attracted you, to this area?
Oh, well, I mean, small town charm and community. I'm very community focused. I have 3 children. I wanted them to live in a place that was walkable and safe and that neighbors knew one another and that your impact mattered. And Pullman offered all of these things.
I think maybe we should partake a little bit of this and then maybe go get an ice cream. What do you think?
I love that idea.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Any WSU grad will tell you that the best place to get ice cream in Pullman is none other than Ferdinands.
All right, here we go. So what are your favorites? What are you looking
Oh,
for?
I love the Cougar tracks. They're definitely one of my favorites, and I love the huckleberry.
I think I'm gonna be really, really basic and do vanilla. Okay, you get Mr. Choosy here.
I'm just going strawberry. So I'm not much
that's
more
like further from vanilla,
strawberry, but I'm gonna go in the waffle cone, please. Holy moly.
Holy moly.
How does the student population impact the town of Pullman throughout the year?
We see an influx of students, thousands of them coming in, brand new Cougs and returning Cougs every August, and we like to welcome them by hosting the National Lentil Festival the same week of welcome.
Like you said earlier, Pullman has so much to offer.
I am so excited that you were able to explore Pullman, and we want to welcome you back anytime.
Awesome. Thank you very much.